what are your preparation at saka yung attack mo sa competition? Since ang daming mga grabing candidates din natin.
Siyempre, hindi tayo magpapatalo. Puksaan kung puksaan. So, 100% the whole Taguig City is supporting me here. And the preparation-wise, I've been preparing training for my pasarela, for my Q&A, for everything. All bases covered, my styling. You would see a Latina Katrina Legado this time. Full out Katrina Legado. Latina version, Latina Slayer. So that's what you will have to find out. And I'm very excited to share everything that we've prepared.
Best of luck, Kat. What is one aspect of the competition that you will put your heart into that you did from the last competition you really thought that it could have been you could have been the winner?
Of course it would be Q&A. I know a lot of people are throwing a lot of negativities about how I talk, about how I speak, and also a lot of people are iffy or on the fences because they labeled me as she doesn't have, or she don't know how to talk, or hindi naman niya nakakapag Q&A. I think that's the thing that really instilled in me way back 2022. And actually, for a fact, that thing almost made me give up and almost didn't make me to want to join again. But of course, it's the power of showing up, and of course, you have to prepare and put a lot of effort and hard work in order to conquer these fears or conquer these noises that surrounds you. So it would really be Q&A, and I'm working double effort. So I got all the bases covered. So if you guys are worrying about how I talk, communicate, it's just a matter of really working hard and preparing for it.